Good morning, welcome to the channel. Today, as you can see, a lot better weather, so everything looks good today. So just going to finish the coffee, jump on the bike, and then we'll make our way down to the beach. So stay tuned. But first, roll the credits. Okay, good morning everybody. As you can see, it's a bit better day today. It does look overcast and it does look like we're going to have some rain. However, I am hoping that it just holds off long enough so that we can get down to the beach. For those of you who haven't watched part one, this is day 2 of my ride to the beach where they filmed Mull Of Kintyre, the Paul Mcartny song, the video where you've got the guys with the bagpipes and the kilts marching along the beach. That's where we're heading off to. I have to say that this time of year, autumn time, the colours in the countryside are just absolutely stunning. It was such a shame that it was so rainy yesterday, because when I was coming through the mountains, oh, the scenery was just fantastic. Unfortunately, you just couldn't see it. My wife's a bit upset that she couldn't come on this ride. Those of you who watch the channel know that I've got a cat, Noah. He often photo bombs all my reviews, moaning and meowing, and we just can't get anywhere to look after him. The lady who runs the cattery where we normally put him, she's really old lady, and you know, I don't blame her. She's just totally closed the doors while this COVID thing is on. So my wife's at home looking after the cat. He has his health problems, so he has to have tablets, he has to have medication every day, so it isn't the fact that we could even you know, just leave him for one night. Somebody has to be there with him all the time. Cost me an arm and a leg, but I love him. Little terror. It's more like having a little dog than having a cat. Well, the one thing I can say about these roads, or how challenging they are, I mean, I've done the Apple Cross Road, the Cattle of the Pass, which is supposed to be one of the most technical roads in the country, and I can guarantee you that these are more difficult than those bends you find on that road. They're off camber, they're steep, they're hairpins, there's gravel and wet leaves everywhere. Oh my word, this road is not for novices. However, it is an absolutely fantastic road. The scenery is amazing. It is the B842, and it is just absolutely fantastic. Just look at that. Yeah, nearly come off then. And as I was saying, very, very difficult roads. Just want to get a bit of a clip on now, because I'm still quite away from our destination. It looks as though it might be about to rain, and that would just spoil my day. I honestly don't think I can recall a road where I've spent as much time in first and second gear. The road wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't for all the gravel and wet leaves. You know, the off camber, the steepness and the hairpin bends, fair enough, but well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We are coming into Saddle. This is our destination. It's getting a bit breezy, so I'm not actually sure where about the beach is, but obviously all I've got to do is hug the coast and we are bound to come across it. Let's just have a look at the battery. I think we got enough just to see us through until we get there. Look at the colours of the trees, they're just absolutely stunning. And this is a prime example of what I mean about this road. The road, it's like slimy because all the trees overhang and you're just so scared of the back end breaking away as you power up the hill. So I'm so excited. I know it's sad, but I've wanted to come here ever since I was a little kid. It's been one of the things on my bucket list to do, and now today I'm going to achieve it. Look at this road, absolutely stunning. Oh wow. Please don't rain, please don't rain. Okay, so somewhere around here, one of these coves is going to be the beach where the video was filmed. I'm trying to look at the coves, but the road's just so bad. Come on beach, where are you? Okay everybody, just pulled over at the side of the road. We are so close now. I know that the beach has a castle, like a small turret at the far end of the beach, so if we can find that castle we can find the beach. But just look at this place, absolutely stunning. So new battery in the GoPro, we're all ready, the rain's holding off, let's get on it, stay tuned. Okay, so as it stands folks, I'm having difficulty finding this beach. I've gone through the place that is known as Saddle, where I thought the beach was. The weather has come in, it's got really blustery and the rain's coming. I'm going to continue along the coast and see if we can come across it. If not, I'm going to do a U-turn. I'm going to go back the other way to make sure that it's not in deflated, that I've gone past it at an obtuse angle so that it was out of my view. Really disappointed at the moment that the weather's come in, but We will get there, I will find it, I am determined. I don't care if I don't get home until 3 o'clock in the morning, I will find this beach. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're making our way back now, and if you look there, I hope you can see it on the GoPro, we have a rainbow, and at the end of the rainbow I'm sure we're going to find the beach that we are after. It's sort of a last chance saloon because the clock is ticking away. It's getting really blustery as well. I think I'm going to struggle to get the drone up, but we will see. But how beautiful is that? Come on, let's find the beach at the end of the rainbow. Okay, so I'm absolutely crushed. I did find the beach, but I just couldn't get to it. There was no access from the road. I wanted to fly the drone over, but I couldn't because it was just too windy, and I just wasn't able to control the drone or even get it back. As you can see at the moment, it's raining on off all the time. So time is against me now. I need to get home. I've just put home into the sat nav. It's saying I should get home around 6 o'clock, but that's obviously with no stops, so I reckon it's going to be about 7 o'clock for me tonight when I get home, perhaps even a little bit later depending on the roads and the weather. Hopefully I can get some more footage on the way home, so just stay tuned people. Back soon. Okay, back at the ranch now. I'm absolutely crushed. When I got back home last night, I took my phone out, I had a look on Google Maps, and there is an access road to that beach. I knew where it is, I passed it, I thought that it was just an entrance to a private property. What a numpty I am, I should have stopped, I should have got the phone out and looked when I was there. I was relying on the TomTom, and the TomTom didn't show that side road at all, it didn't show any road going down to the beach. So, I will not be beaten. I'm going to watch the forecast, and the first window of decent weather, I'm going to do a mammoth ride. I'm going to ride all the way there, get on the beach, do the film footage, and then I'm going to ride all the way back in one day. I will not be beaten. I am absolutely, I'm lost for words. I'm so angry at myself that I didn't get the phone out and check. So stay tuned for day three. Day 3 of the Mull of Kintyre tour will be coming up. Thanks for watching. Bike Ride Reviews out.